Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, without wasting much time, I'm going to take you through step by steps on how you can create your international TikTok account while in Nigeria without using VPN. While you are still in Nigeria. Let's say if you don't have anyone that is staying abroad, if you don't have any relative there or anything, or you don't know how to go about it, like getting the UK number, watch this video to the end. That's what I'm going to show in this video. Please guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel if this is your first time of coming across this channel. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you leave your comment in the comment section. Let me know how you like. Let me know if you find it smooth doing it, or let me know if you have been able to create your international TikTok account. Okay, there's one thing about an international TikTok account. International TikTok account gives you a room to be get paid per your views on your video compared to our Africa like Nigeria TikTok account. So you stand a chance of making money on TikTok by getting paid per your views. Okay, so in this video, this is what people are charging money to do, but I'm going to show you that right now just for free. So the only thing I want from you guys is to keep on to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment on this video, and also share it to as many people that might be needing this video right now, because that will encourage me to be doing something like this. Okay guys, without wasting much time, let's get diving. How to create an international TikTok account in Nigeria without using VPN. Okay guys, this works perfectly, like it's 100% guarantee. All right, let's head to our TikTok app. When we head to our TikTok app, I'm going to click on these three lines here. I click this. My account is actually this is my international TikTok account. This particular one, I just created it. So when you head to your international TikTok account, you click on setting and privacy. Okay, first of all, before I get started, I want to show you guys something. I want to show you what makes this my account an international TikTok account. Let me click on this creator tools. When I click on this creator tool, you can see this one is the cocoa. Like, this is what makes it outstanding from your Nigeria or from your Africa TikTok account. This creator reward program, by the time you have meet the requirements, you can be able to get paid. And this creator marketplace, you can't find this and that in your Nigerian TikTok account. So without wasting much time, I don't want this video to be very long. You click on setting and privacy. When you click on setting and privacy, you click on switch account. These three accounts there, they are actually my international TikTok account. So I will now click on add account. I will now, first of all, this place now, by continuing with an account located in Nigeria, we don't want Nigeria, so we want to select the country that is eligible for monetization. We have Germany, we have UK, we have US, we have, is it about, I think France. We have about 5 countries. So you choose the one you want to go for. Don't choose because I'm just doing this for the purpose of those videos. Don't choose because I'm choosing it. Okay, so let's just, I want to go with United States. So you can see that we have changed our location to United States. Okay, so I will now say use phone or email. So when I click this, let's say our date of birth is they do not matter, Shami. I mean, let it be above 18 years, Abi. I think 2000 is above now, so let's use it 2000. So I click on next. Please, I will advise you use your real date of birth, because a time you come where you'll be asked to identify your NIN, your national identity, is it identity, your national identification number, you'll be asked to upload it on this app. So I would have advised your date of birth is the same, so that when you upload it, it will align. Okay, so that's that for that. We are not going for phone number, right? So we are using email address. Please, before you use this email address, make sure you have not used it to create your Nigerian TikTok account. If you have one, like if you have Nigerian TikTok account already, make sure you have not used the same email address. Make sure the content you are going to post on this account is something totally different from what you have posted on your Nigerian TikTok account. Do not post anything that you have posted on your Nigerian TikTok account on this account. Guys, this is an international TikTok. You know the way we are creating this account, so you have to be very, very, very careful. And always make sure that you upload your own videos. Even if you cannot, you can just do voiceover. Even if you are camera shy, how they used to say, or even if you are shy looking at the camera and be doing video and be filming yourself, you can actually be doing all this screen record. At least for one time, you show yourself, you be talking, teach people. Do you understand? So that's it. So I will now put my email address. Which email address have I not used? Let me use this fine girl. You now click on continue. So when you now click on continue, I think my network is a bit slow. Guys, make una is either is my network or something is wrong somewhere. So guys, the main thing is what I just showed you right now, how you can actually change your location. That's the cocoa. That's the main thing. Okay, I think this one is okay. So I will now say continue. When I click on continue, they have sent a code to my email. Okay, so I will just have to, I don't really want to create an account, but I don't know, guys, there's nothing much to do on this thing, just for you to follow the same, like the main thing there is just for you to make sure that you have changed your location from Nigeria to any of the 5 eligible countries that you want to open your, like any of the 5 eligible countries that you want to open your this thing. That's just the main thing. It's not just about creating it. I have 3 account already, so I wouldn't like to create another one. So this is the code. I've sent the code to my email. Either I continue from here, or I copy the code and I go to my email and to the site and inputted the code. So after you inputted the code, you'll be asked to set a password, like a strong password that is a combination of alphabets, numbers, like small letter, capital letter, symbols and numbers. After that, you have a message that your account has successfully been created. So that's all for that. So the main thing there, I don't want to create another one. The main thing there is just for you to make sure that you have changed your location from Nigeria to whatever country that is eligible. Don't just put it in any other country. Check the country, like United Kingdom, United States, Germany, I think 2 other countries like that, because it's 5 that are eligible. Because the main thing now, if you create your account, you go to your setting and privacy, you see creator tools. Check as far as you have this, as far as you have created, after creating the account, as you check if you have these features. As far as you have this feature, guys, you are good to go. Like as far as you have this feature, creator reward program, you are good to go, because that's what you'll be using to apply when you are eligible for monetization. So that's it. That's that for that, guys. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Love you. Bye.